Hey everyone, today we are diving into creating your own LMS website using Academy LMS. But first, why an LMS? Online learning industry is booming. More people are learning online and online businesses, creators and influencers all are jumping in. Take platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera. They are popular because they let anyone learn or teach anything anytime from anywhere in the world. And influencers like Neil Patel and Pat Flynn, they are all offering courses through their websites. That's what makes an LMS so powerful. You get control and you get to connect directly with your audience. And here is why building an LMS is a great move right now. The e-learning industry expected to reach about $375 billion by 2026. Platforms like Teachable and Kajabi have shown creators can earn 6 or 7 figures from their online courses alone. Now, let's talk about Academy LMS plugin. It's one of the newer plugin in the world of LMS options, but it's packed with powerful features that make it stand out. With Academy LMS, you get all the essentials like creating courses, quizzes, certificates, progress tracking, and more. All in an intuitive, user friendly, and powerful interface built over React. This plugin is perfect for beginners and experts alike. Whether you are building a full course catalog or a few simple tutorials, or even a courses marketplace like Udemy, Academy LMS is designed to grow with you, offering flexibility and scalability out of the box. So let's dive into the tutorial. If you are watching this intro video on social media, then check the video description or comments for the full tutorial link. And if you are watching on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any video tutorials from us. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start by installing the plugin. Go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Then search for Academy LMS. Okay, let's install this plugin. And we will also need the certificate builder. So let's install the Academy certificates plugin. Okay, now okay, now I'll activate Academy LMS plugin first. And you will be redirected to the startup wizard or the plugin setup wizard. Let's start. Pick a category, individual or a marketplace. If you plan to launch a website like Udemy where other instructors can publish their courses, then you should choose the marketplace. And if you are an individual instructor or influencer and you want to sell only your own courses, then you should choose the individual category. So I'll go with the individual category. And then you can start with the default settings or you can integrate external plugins. I'll start with the default. You can select certain options like dashboard page. If you want to load the Academy LMS fonts, you can enable or disable this, or if you want to enable the LMS plugins login system, then you can turn off. And if you want to utilize another login system like WordPress default or ultimate member or any other third party login system, then you can turn this off. I'll go with Academy LMS login. Next, you can set up the instructor registration system here. If you want to have the ability for other instructors to publish courses, then you can turn this on. Now it will ask you for the student registration page. It will create a new page for student registration, and you can turn on or off the upload file permission for students. Like if you want the student to submit assignments, then you should enable this option. Let's finish and we are done here. Go to dashboard. Okay, so now we are in the dashboard of Academy LMS. You will see Academy LMS tab on the left side panel, and here are you can see a couple of other links that we'll explore in a moment. But before that, we'll have to enable the registrations, because when you install WordPress on a fresh domain and hosting, then the default status of user registration on your website is disabled. So you will have to enable it. Just click on the button and the default user registration system will be enabled. Otherwise you can go to settings, general, and this checkbox is unchecked by default. When you install WordPress, you'll have to enable the membership option so users can create accounts on your website. So we have done that. Okay, now let's explore the Academy LMS a bit. First of all, I have tested several other LMS plugins, and Academy LMS has a superior dashboard, and its course creation module is super fast as compared to other LMS plugins. It doesn't matter what size of course you are creating, it will load everything instantly. So first of all, let's explore the dashboard and its features that are available to you in the free version. In the dashboard, you will see stats about total courses enrolled, lessons, and etc. And then there are a couple of charts here. Some options are available for free, and you will see a pro label on front of the options that are not available in the free version. You will have to upgrade to the paid version. So here you go. Now, after dashboard, second tab is for courses. Here you can add new courses or edit existing courses. Here you can manage course categories and then tags and then lessons. And the third tab is announcements. If you want to publish some announcements into the courses, then you can do them over here. Then there are question and answers. Students can ask questions from instructors inside the course, so you can answer them over here. And then if you have multiple instructors on your LMS, you can manage instructor accounts over here. You can also add a new instructor from here. And then in the students tab, you can manage the students. Then in the add-ons tab, there are free and pro add-ons available for this plugin that you can install. Extend the functionalities of your LMS system. You can filter the free and pro add-ons from these tabs. These plugins are available for free, like we had already installed certificates, but it requires a blocks plugin to enable the certificates module. So let's go to plugins, add new, and then search for a blocks. This is the plugin a blocks. Install and activate this plugin. Okay, let's get back to Academy LMS add-on section. Okay, and let's activate the certificates plugin. I'll go to plugins and activate Academy LMS certificate plugin. Okay, so I think we don't have to install and activate this Academy certificates plugins separately. Let's deactivate and delete it because now they have introduced this plugin that they had developed separately as an add-on for Academy LMS that is included within. So you will just have to install the required plugins, which was a blocks. So you can now install other plugins or add-ons if you like in the free version. Like if you want to enable the quizzes module, you will just activate it over here. And if you want to integrate easy digital downloads, you will activate over here. And if you want to sell the courses, if you want to monetize your platform, then you will have to install commerce plugin. So I'll install uh, WooCommerce plugin. Go to plugins, add-on, add new. Now we'll install the WooCommerce plugin. It usually available under the popular tab WooCommerce. Let's activate WooCommerce. It will also redirect us to a wizard where we will set up the basic options for WooCommerce plugin. Okay, I'll just uncheck all of these plugins. I don't want them on my website. Okay, once you have installed and activated the WooCommerce plugin, the new version of WooCommerce have coming soon mode enabled. So you'll have to go to settings, site visibility, and then turn on the live mode. Or if you prefer to have the coming soon mode enabled when for the time being, when you are building your website, you can turn on the coming soon option, and you can also uh, manage certain options as you like. Okay, okay, now you can enable the WooCommerce. It is already enabled now. Now you can also sell courses on your LMS website. Okay, and for the pro add-ons, you can install the pro add-ons when you have purchased pro membership. By the way, on their website currently Black Friday deals are going on, and this is the time of the year when you purchase subscriptions and plugins or themes for your toolkit. Up to 85% discount is currently applied, and it's a pretty steal deal for the moment. If you want to go with the lifetime bundle, you can see for $135 you can have 25 website licenses, and you for $299 you can have 200 site licenses. And it's pretty amazing and sweet to have this tool in your development toolkit if you are a web developer, and if you are an individual instructor and you want to have the updates and support and the premium features for the entirety of your LMS website's life, you can have that just for $53. One site license, all of the add-ons, one installation service, community support, 14 days money back guarantee, and priority email and chat support. So if you plan to have a serious business on your LMS website, then you should go with this steal right now, and check the video description for the link, and use our link to purchase any subscription from Academy LMS website. So getting back to our course, we have explored the add-ons tab, and after activating certain add-ons you will see other new options like quizzes. You can now add quizzes to your courses, and then certificates. You can build your own certificates. Currently there are some dummy certificates published. You can create your own, or you can edit them and change the text or certain things. Okay, after the add-ons tab you will see a tools section where you can see certain statuses about your WordPress environment and your server environment. Currently we have everything ticked green, and for WordPress environment we don't really want multi-site. External object cache is not enabled. If your web hosting has that option, you should turn it on. And then Academy LMS pages, you can see these are the default pages created when the Academy LMS plugin was installed, and we ran a setup wizard. And for some reason, if you didn't run the setup wizard, you can just come here again and regenerate your pages that are required to have complete layout on the front end. And then there are shortcodes. Normally you will have to go to the documentation and author's website to find shortcodes, but in the tools tab they have provided all the shortcodes and their usage examples right in the dashboard. You can just copy these shortcodes are handy when you have created your own pages. You are not using the default structure or default generated pages by the Academy LMS. Then you can use each of these shortcodes to the pages you have created. Then you can have they have an import and export option that is built in, but it has certain limitations. Like, and you can only export or import lessons. You can't export or import quizzes for in the free version. You will have to upgrade to the pro version to have these features enabled. Okay, and then you can rerun the setup wizard anytime you want if you have skipped in the first phase. Then there is the settings page. It has all of the controls and fields to manage your LMS website with Academy LMS. Generally, you can enable or disable these options that we had seen in the setup wizard. And then in brands and style you can change the entire color scheme for your website to match the color scheme of your branding. Okay, I think that's fine. And let me save this. Now you can go to certain other styles in the customizer. These are basically just shortcuts. You can simply go to appearance and customize to further customize the course archive styles, course single styles, learn page styles, front end dashboard styles. And then for the pages tab, you can see, you can select your courses page. If you have created uh, pages separately, then you can just navigate to these sections, and you can also uh, change the card styles and other options that are available for that particular page, like course review, course share, course wish list, And then these card styles, I think we go with this one. Now you can control the number of courses listed on the page, archives per row, and etc. And then you can also configure the filters that are displayed on the courses page, like how a user can filter out courses on the front end by search, category, tag, levels, or type. Or you can also choose the filters position. I'll choose the left sidebar. And then you can set a default sorting. If you want to have the most uh, recent courses on the top, then you can order by publish date, total enroll count, topics, first item, and etc. And then you can also select a default or primary certificate over here. Let me save this one. Then you can just further explore the different sections under the pages, so you can customize. Like in the learn page, you can set your own logo. I'll just go with the default Academy LMS logo that we have set. And then instructor page, student page, dashboard page, you can turn on or off certain options. After that, if you want to sell courses on your website, you will have to enable the e-commerce engine, that is WooCommerce. First, you have to install and activate WooCommerce, that we have already did. Then you will have to enable it or select it under WooCommerce. You can also use paid membership pro or easy digital downloads as e-commerce engine for your Academy LMS or LMS website. So we have selected WooCommerce. Then there is an amazing form builder for instructor registration and the student registration. You can add further fields if you like. Okay, I think that's fine. Let's save this form. And now we are done exploring the settings. And if we preview our website, it currently looks something like this. So let's install a proper theme to use this with Academy LMS. Let's go to themes, add new, and Astra is a pretty powerful theme that supports Academy LMS. And it also has some pretty cool demos that we can import and use with our Academy LMS website. Let's activate this. Okay. Okay. Now we'll have to create a navigation menu for header. I'll just add a few pages, then later on we can change when we will import a demo. Okay. Now let's go to dashboard again. Now let's start building our website, and we'll start by adding some courses. And for courses, I'll create some categories. Okay, I have created some categories. Now let's navigate to the course and let's uh, experience its superior course building. Click on add new course, and you can notice that it's loading instantly because this whole dashboard interface is built using React, which is much faster than the standard PHP built interfaces. So in this section, you will have couple of amazing options to build your course, and we'll go one by one and learn to build entire course from scratch. First of all, we'll give this course a title. Then you can add description for your course, and you can see the edit course description editor is neat and pretty amazing. Okay, you can set a featured image. Here you can assign a course intro video. You can select the source. I'll select YouTube, and then there is additional information for this course. You can set the limit here for maximum students, set 0 to have unlimited. Difficulty level, I'll set this to beginner. Language, and then you can start building your course by clicking on this add new curriculum. After adding a section, you can add content to this section, or you can have sub curriculum. Add content, you will see add lesson or add quiz. There can be more options once you have enabled other add-ons. You can start from scratch, or you can build from existing. If you have already created some lessons, you can choose a template to build similar lectures. I'll add lesson, click on add lesson. Let's have give this lesson a title. You can also set separate featured images for each lesson, and then you can adjust some lesson settings, like if you want to have this as a preview lesson, like you see on Udemy and other course selling websites, that some lectures are available to preview without enrolling in that course or purchasing that course. You can also turn this on to have lesson to set for preview that students can see or watch without enrolling into the course. Okay, then you can set a video source. I'll add the video. You can also upload some file attachments if you want to give away some files to the students that they can download along with this lesson. Okay, now let's click on add lesson. Now let's click on add content, add lesson. I'll add another lecture. Okay, we have two lessons in the basics section, and then you can add further sections or curriculum. Okay, after creating sections and adding lessons into the sections, you can now add a assessment section or quizzes section. I'll add a quiz. You can give this quiz a title. And now you can add questions into this quiz. In the free version, you will get three type of questions that you can add to. If you upgrade to the pro version, then you will have short answer, image answer, and fill in the blanks. You can have only text, only image, and text and image both. You can also choose the correct answer. Okay, add question. And then you get the idea. You can add as many questions as you like from these three type of questions. Then click save on continue. You can hide the question number, hide the quiz time. If you want to set a time limit for this quiz, you can set it over here. Questions order, you can randomize them ascending or descending. And then you can choose a passing grade, quiz feedback mode. Default answers are shown after the quiz is finished, or you can have a retry mode, and then you can set how many times a user can reattempt that question. Okay, then I'll go with the default and then finish. After you have added the quizzes to this course, uh, in this section there is an additional info tab over here that you can add some text over here that will be displayed alongside on the course details page. Okay, now you can choose an instructor if you are just building courses from the backend and you have multiple instructors on your platform and you want to assign this course to another instructor than you, or you have multiple, maybe you have multiple profiles, one for managing your LMS and one for the public view, so you can choose the instructor account to assign to this course. Then you can assign a certificate. These are the certificates that are already built. You can build your own certificate, or you can just select a certificate that is already built in the certificates section. You can also change the certificate later on if you have the pro version. Otherwise you can just deactivate or activate this certificate. So keep in mind, once you have assigned a certificate to a course, you cannot change it unless you have a premium version. In the free version you will only be able to preview or edit this certificate uh, from the certificates tab. Okay, now let's publish this course. and you can choose the course type over here. Is it free or paid? Let's just publish this one as a free course. Now let's see how you can turn this into a paid course. Click on paid. I think we had not selected the e-commerce engine. Okay, I think we selected, but we didn't save the changes. So let me just reload this page. And one more thing, let's go to settings and permalinks, and we'll have to change the permalinks to the post name, which is the most suitable SEO friendly permalink structure. Okay, let me just reload this page. Okay, now you can edit the permalink of the course over here. Like I want to have only element tour after the course. Okay, now for if you want to convert this free course into a paid course that users can purchase on your website, first you will have to go to WooCommerce products, and you will have to add a new product, and typically you will use the same title that you have set on your course as a product name. So I'll add this as a product name. You don't have to set any other options, because already every other information is already available on the course details page. Okay, so I'll just set the price, like I'll say it's 10,000 rupees, and we are selling it on 7,000 rupees. And don't forget to mark for Academy LMS, and it's virtual, and for Academy LMS. Let's publish this one. And now I'll reload this page, and now select the appropriate product and assign it to this course. Now this course is paid, and the selling will be done through WooCommerce. So any payment method that you want to have on your store, you will set it over the payments tab. By default, WooCommerce have direct bank transfer, check payments, and cash on delivery. To have more payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, you'll have to go to the Addons tab, extensions tab, and you can install other extensions from there. This includes normally extensions from WooCommerce Marketplace. You can search it over here. Some extensions will be free and some extensions will be paid. I'll search for Stripe, and you can see you will see options for freemium and premium extensions right next below them. Like this is a free download, this is a free download, and etc. There is also some paid extensions like WooCommerce subscriptions and etc. If you want to have an option to uh, charge credit debit cards on your LMS website, then you will install this Stripe add-on. I believe it will take you to the WooCommerce store. You can just go to plugins, click on add new, and then search for Stripe. You will also see a couple of other authors offering WooCommerce extensions. Just search for Stripe or PayPal. You will see other extensions like payment plugins for Stripe. This is by Stripe officially. You can install it, and you can also take a look at other extensions like Stripe payment plugin for WooCommerce by WebToffee, which is also very popular. And then you can also install plugins like these to have other payment methods enabled. And you can also look at the add-ons section of this Academy LMS plugin. You will also find couple of other handy useful extensions over here. Let me just navigate to the free, and okay, everything is fine. Now let's have a preview of this course. Okay, you can see the layout and structure of the course details page is pretty amazing. You can see course lessons page over here, assessment and etc. Sidebar that displays information about the course lessons, and users can start this course. Basically, I am logged in as admin. As an admin, you will always see a start course button. Otherwise, the normal users will see an add to cart button for paid courses and start course button for the courses that are published as free. Now you see this isn't an ideal layout or design for an LMS website. Now we'll import a proper demo website from Astra Ready sites. Just go to the Astra dashboard, and then go to the starter templates, install and activate their starter templates plugin. Okay, we'll choose classic starter templates and we'll go with block editor. You can also choose Elementor if you want to build your LMS on using Elementor page builder. And let's choose LMS category or search for LMS templates. Okay, for online courses, you see they have couple of options. I think this template is pretty fine. You can choose color scheme. I'll go with this blue one. Continue. Okay. uh, Continue. It is basically built for learn dash LMS plugin, but this can work with our Academy LMS plugin as well. Okay, the demo has been imported. Let's visit the dashboard and let's see if we have any duplicate pages, which usually are seen after importing demos, like mm, duplicate courses page. I think we don't have any such conflict. Okay, now let's have a preview of our website. Okay, you can see everything is imported, and now we have a fully designed ready-made website that you can obviously customize according to your requirements. And if we go to all courses, you can see this page is designed with the page builder, and they have used the learn dash course grid. And now we'll have to use the course grid, or we can just remove this page all courses because we have already created the courses page. Okay, but if you want to have this layout, then you will have to restore this page, uh, and then go to pages and I'll remove this courses page, and then we'll go to Academy LMS settings, because we will have to set the course page. Go to pages, course page. Okay, the page was set to draft mode. Okay, now let me just reload this page. Okay, we'll set all courses over here. And now we'll go to the tools, shortcodes, and course grid. Copy it, and now edit this page and replace the shortcode with the Academy LMS course grid shortcode. Here you can replace the shortcode, and you can also further customize the course grid by using these options explained over here. Okay, once you have added the course grid and selected the page under the courses over here, the layout will be switched. So let's try removing the courses page from here. Okay, now you can see that we have courses grid over here. You will have to remove the page from this drop down, so you can have this designed layout that they have built using Spectra page builder and display courses over here. But if you want to have that filter on the left side, then you will have to set the page in the courses drop down, courses page, then the default layout will be served. So we can do something like this, like changing this course slug to popular courses, and I'll call this popular courses. And then you can create a new page to assign over here, where all the filters and other stuff will be displayed. Okay, so let's go to pages. I think we should restore that page as well, the one we had created earlier, the courses one. Go to pages, and then we'll have to publish this one. Okay, and then in the settings, okay, now for the navigation, we can do something like this. Go to appearance, menus. Uh, okay, select this menu that is imported with the demo. And now I'll navigate to, I'll add a custom link over here. Just pass in an hash sign. I'll call this courses, add to menu, and then make this popular courses and all courses page a sub item for this navigation menu item. Okay, here it is, all courses. Okay, you can also add in some course categories, like uh, okay, to view the course categories, click on to the screen options and then turn on these categories. Okay, these are the course categories, and you can also add some categories. Or you can have another sub menu for categories separately. And let me just get back to the courses, because from this moment I realized that we had forgot to assign a category to this course. So this belongs to WordPress and web design. Okay, now let's have a final preview of our website, and for before that I'll go to users profile and I'll remove the toolbar from the front end, because I don't like seeing this one even when I am logged in. Okay, now we have this amazing layout website. Now you just need to change the course grid shortcodes wherever it is used. Uh, Go to pages and edit the home page, and let's copy the shortcodes from popular courses page. Okay, now we have the courses on the home page as well. Now you can also adjust all of the content for the home page, like changing the heading, changing the section background image, that you can go here and you can change the image. You have some. If don't, you can download amazing pictures from Pixels or Unsplash for free. Let me just download this one. You can also adjust the overlay. Okay. And further, content can be customized by just clicking and changing the text or images as you like to fit your brand guidelines. Okay, let me just reload this one. Okay, so you can see we have couple of disturbed layouts or colors in the menu that you can customize, and I'll go through some customization options that you can do from the customizer. Otherwise, I'll you can see that we have popular courses over here. If you can't see, let me just close these all of these unnecessary tabs. Now go to appearance and customize the front end layout and sections of your website. In the customizer you will see mixed options from theme, extra theme, and from Academy LMS plugin. You like go to header builder and I'll select the primary menu. Okay, I think this one is transparent header, so we should customize it under the transparent header. Okay, let's go to design, and here you can see the menu color is set to this one. Okay, so okay, this is good. This is sub menu color. Now here we need to change the sub menu color to a darker one. Okay, that now the menu is fixed. You can further explore Astra, its customization options, and its other features from their official documentation, because the purpose of this tutorial is not about teaching Astra. Now for the Academy LMS related customization options, you will see a dedicated tab of Academy LMS over here, and then you can see further customization options for courses archive page that we had created. You can see you can change the background color of this page however you like, and then you can further adjust the customization options and styling of this page from these options. And for single course page, you can see there are a couple of customization options for that page. Here is as well. I'll set the background color to white, and let's just, because this blue color is coming from Astra, just go to global container. I think this is fine. Okay, now you can further customize the learn page. You can see they have a pretty amazing learning page for courses. I'll go through them in a couple of seconds. Let's just navigate back, and then you can also customize the front end dashboard. Okay, it has an amazing dashboard for the front end as well. So let's just close this one and reload this page. And let's change this button from start learning to dashboard. We'll have to go to customize again. Go to the header builder. We'll change this to dashboard. Okay, now let's take a look at the detailed pages. You can see the styling of these course grids a bit off over here. You can go to settings to adjust this all courses layout. Go to pages, courses, and you can see there are a couple of card layouts. I choose the second option now. Let's just reload this one. I think that is better now. And you can also further customize the structure over here and configure the filters you can see over here. And then on the front end dashboard you can see the logged in user will have something like this. User can customize his profile from here, enrolled courses, anything in the wish list, reviews, purchase history, and store dashboard, and etc. And it will take the user to the WooCommerce dashboard. And then the courses, if you are logged in as admin, you can see the courses on the front end as well, and you can use the same course builder that we were using on the back end on the front end as well from this course dashboard. And you can also manage the quizzes, and you can also answer to the questions that you students have asked. And let's take a look at the course. We'll go to all courses. For the student interface, this is an amazing layout. Let me just click on the start course button, and you can see their learning dashboard or the learn page is far superior than other learning management plugins. You can see the progress. Student can see the progress, share course. Student can see the course content or curriculum on the right side, or when clicked on that cross button, student will be redirected to the main course page. Okay, student can navigate through the lessons. And then here students can ask questions directly from the instructor. This option is not usually available in other LMS plugins, not that visible. Now student can ask a question. Okay, student have asked the question, and now if an admin goes to the question and answers section, or an other instructor visits its dashboard, it will see the questions over here. I'll see this, I'll visit the website, and if I go to my dashboard, you can see I have a question over here that I can answer. Okay, now the uh, instructor has answered. And basically I am asking question myself and answering myself. And this is a pretty amazing module to have on your website, in a way that you can support your students. You can in Your students can get help from you by asking questions right on the learn page or right within the course. Okay, so now let me just quickly install and activate their pro version. Go to plugins, add new. Once you will purchase their subscription, you will get the downloadable file for their pro plugin and the license key. Activate the plugin. Okay, input your license key and activate the license. Okay, now you will have all of the premium options available to you. Just go to add-ons, and now you can enable or disable their premium add-ons. Go to pro, advanced analytics, assignments module will be available to you after you upgrade to the pro version. Now students with these assignments feature. Students can submit assignments to the course. You can enable the course prerequisites option, content trip, course bundle, and you can also turn on their email module to send automated emails to students and instructors and etc. You can also turn on the Fluent CRM integration, which is, by the way, a great CRM plugin to have on any business WordPress website. And then you can also turn on their manual enrollment. This is an amazing feature if you like, if you have an offline students system, like if you are teaching in a coaching or a class and you want to give your students access to their online portal manually, then you can use this manual enrollment. Then you can also turn on this gradebook. They have a Google Classroom integration, that is an amazing. They have a meeting option, like students can book a meeting with the instructor over Google Meet or Zoom. And then you can also enable SCORM option, shortcut, social login and register features. You are very handy when you want to have broader options for students to log into your portal. And you can also have a tutor booking, like if you want to have the option on your LMS that students can book a one-on-one meeting with you, then you can turn on this tutor booking. And you can also turn on this white label option, so that you can completely rebrand the entire LMS website or entire LMS features with your own branding throughout the admin pages and the front end pages. Okay, you can see now you can edit the email templates that are sent to the students or the instructors. All of the email templates will be available here. And then you can also adjust the WooCommerce settings and etc. Now you have many more features and options available to your LMS website, like meetings, tutor booking and assignments. Now let me go to the courses and edit this course, and just scroll down a bit and you will see the new options over here. Like if you want to have a course prerequisite as a course or as a category, and then you can assign which course the student should have watched before enrolling into this course. Okay, in now additional info, you can also turn on the content trip if you want the lessons to be available on certain time frames. And then you can also change the certificate. Okay, create the course. And now when you click on to the add content, you can see there are now further options like new assignment, add a meeting, add a tutor booking. Like if you want to, if you want the students to submit assignments for this course, or you want the students to have online meetings in this course, like you need to set up the API for Google Meet or Zoom. You will click on that, and then you will upload the JSON file. Follow their official documentation for how to do all of that. And if you want to have a tutor booking, like free or paid, uh, you can upload a booking image, booking category, or class type, live class or pre-recorded, time zone, and the duration and the schedule date. If you want, If you have time on a single day, then you can select this option, and if you want to have repeated days for the meetings availability, then you can choose over here. Okay, add a booking. Okay, we forgot to add the price. You can, to have this booking fully functional as a paid booking, it's already created a single product. uh, you can set the regular pricing over here, like I say I will charge 5,000 rupees. Okay, now close this one. Now how a student will book a meeting with you? Student will see an option over here. I'll just reload this page. Okay, now students can see the booking. You see, we had added multiple days that students can book a meeting. Student can select the appropriate times. I have added only one time. You can add multiple time slots for a day. Then students can book the meeting with you. Okay, now students will have to perform a checkout through WooCommerce, and you will have to enable some payment options for WooCommerce to have that working. Now this way students can also book a meeting with you, and you have a lot of other powerful options that we have just taken a sneak peek of. You need to explore this plugin, this amazing plugin in detail, to build more advanced LMS websites for yourself or your clients. Okay, this is it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. And if you want to stay connected with our channel, just hit the subscribe button and that bell icon so you won't miss any future video tutorials from us. And if you have further questions, you can just leave your comments over here, or you can contact the official authors of this plugin on academylms.net to get support from their official team. And I highly recommend you to explore their documentation and YouTube videos. I'll drop the links in the video description. So goodbye for now. I'll see you in another video.